Of course I do, Jack.
Do you have any idea why my son is being held hostage on your show?
It's not within her capabilities or programming to harm anyone.
You see, the makers of this TV program have become rich by exploiting the public. Now it's time for us to exploit them.
RIA wakes up to a new day.
I want drama, I want scandal, I want viewers on the edges of their seats.
Well, you're gonna love this guy then.
He's related to Vice President Joseph Flynn.
It's his son.
Go in there, son, and give us a good show.
Good night, Rhea.
What just happened?
We lost the signal!